the yoga session for today. It was so good. I think the best part was to do yoga, against that fantastic background. It was so beautiful, guys. We're going to have some breakfast now, after which we have like itinerary planned for today. That's the Tuvanam waterfalls right there. Can you see it? Oh, it's a tiny one. So it's a 3-kilometer trek from here, which is like a hard trek. So I don't think we'll be doing it, but we just stopped by here to check out the view. Day 2 of our sightseeing in Munnar, and we just started off at around 10 o'clock. So today we're going to see the jaggery making process, Muniara caves. So I think today is going to be a slightly hectic day, but I think we'll get to explore a lot more places. So yes, I'll take you guys along. We just stopped at our tea estate to get some photographs. Anywhere you go, wherever you go, this place is so beautiful, you guys. We are at the Anacotta Park, and we are here to see this Muniara cave. So basically it's a cave that was built during the Stone Age. Okay, this is where they used to stay during Stone Age period. We are at an ethnic cafe right now, as I showed you guys how it's been prepared. So this is a tea that's made out of jaggery and nannari, and it tastes really good. I feel like I've tasted this before. I think my grandma used to make this, but it was like the colder version, but this particular thing is like really hot. I think it's like a really nice tea to have during winters, but definitely not with the heat that we are in right now. It's really good. I think you have to try it out if you happen to see it somewhere. We are at the Mariyur estate. We've come here to check out the process of jaggery making. So the process is really simple. All they do is extract all the juice from the sugarcane, and it gets accumulated in a container, which is later transferred into a huge tray, which is boiled for at least 3 to 4 hours. And while it's boiling, they keep stirring it until it becomes solid. And then they roll it into balls, and there you go, your jaggery is ready. So they say that 500 liters of sugarcane can be transformed into 200 kgs of jaggery. So this is how it looks, and they say that the Mariyur jaggery has 97% sugar in it, because of which it's one of the sweetest jaggeries that you can find. And we just tasted this, and I think he's right. It's extremely sweet. It's sweeter than the normal jaggery that we usually consume. So, and it's also $70 per kilo, which is, I think, way reasonable than what we pay. Good. We're trying out Chinese today, and I believe they don't add Ajinomoto and artificial color or flavoring. So it's really good. I'm very impressed actually, because we all know if you don't add Ajinomoto to Chinese food, like we Indians don't really like it. But yeah, thumbs up to this. It's really good. Day 4 and today is our last day. I can't believe we're leaving today. It's been wonderful here at Blanket and in Munnar. Um, all I want to say is we had loads of fun. We gained so much knowledge. It's been such a unique experience. I really didn't expect that I would enjoy this trip so much. Right from staying at Blanket to what the city has to offer, like we had so much fun. When it comes to the property, I would love to say that if at all you're coming to Munnar, then please do stay here. I'm not saying this because I came here to review them or something like that, but genuinely, guys, I really love my experience here. Right from the staff who are so welcoming, and service is great. And when it comes to the rooms and the views, I don't even have to tell, you guys must have seen it already. So today's plan is we're gonna go have breakfast and then we'll be going for a nature walk. I think we'll be going really close to the falls. Attukad Falls is right next to the hotel. We're gonna come back, then we're gonna check out, and I think we'll be going to the Lakkam Tea Factory today. Apparently it's the oldest tea factory in Munnar, so I'm really excited to go there. Out for a nature walk with Mr. Charan from Blanket. He's explaining us about the eucalyptus tree. This is slightly away from the hotel we're staying. As you can see, the Attukad Waterfalls is right there. Wait, let me focus. Yeah. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. It's the same falls that I showed you guys from my room. So we're trying to go closer to that place right now. Let's see. Oh, finally we are here at the Attukad Falls. So this is the falls that you could see from our hotel right there. So that's Blanket. It looked really small from our room. That's also because it's not the season during monsoon season. This whole thing gets filled with water because summer has just started. The water level has decreased right now. So he told us that none of these rocks will be visible during the monsoon because the water level rises. So this is the asparagus plant. So asparagus that we consume are basically the roots. Interesting. So basically this is the tea. All these kind of leaves are like completely waste. So this particular thing is how much they pluck. So this particular bud that you see is used for green tea, and there's another bud inside this which is used as white tea. And then this is the first quality, this is the second quality, and then this is the third quality. All these three are used for black teas. It's been so long since I saw a Touch Me Not. Heavenly Blue Morning Glory. This is what it's called. This flower is called that. Isn't it amazing? It blooms in the morning and it closes in the evening, and it lives up to 2 to 3 days is what he says. So these are the cardamom plants that you see. Everything here is cardamom plants. He just plucked this and gave it to us. Mini cardamom. Just love the smell. So we just arrived at the Lakkam Tea Museum. So apparently they don't have a tea tasting session for today. It's been cancelled. So I think we'll just be visiting the factory and the museum. photography is prohibited. I don't think I'll be able to film the process of tea making, so sorry guys.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Maybe they're planning to come to Munnar, and if they are, then I'm sure they know what to do and where to stay after watching this video. So all I would like to say is I'm leaving this place with a lot of beautiful memories. I had a wonderful time, and thank you guys for sticking around and watching. Also do follow me on Instagram. I'll just leave my handle right here. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.